Hello everyone, today is another baking series here at Fofolicious Food Bites, and our yummy recipe is pie in a pan. Yes, just like meat pie, we're baking our pie in a pan, delicious meat filling with an irresistible, perfectly golden crust. Trust me, you will love it. Everyone who gets to taste your pie in a pan will love it too. So pay attention, watch and enjoy. Here are your basic ingredients for the crust: golden penny flour, baking powder, butter, cold water and salt. For the filling, ground beef, lentils, mixed vegetables, onions, garlic, mixed spices, potato, cream cheese, vegetable oil and egg, and of course your pan. Start by peeling your potatoes, chop them and boil with a bit of salt. Also boil your lentils with a bit of salt. Lentils are plant-based protein with a low glycemic index, perfect for managing sugar levels and filled with iron. So you can see why I love lentils. Also, don't forget that lentils cook really fast, so don't overcook them. Now you can start making your crust so it can rest a bit. Put your golden penny flour into a bowl, add your baking powder, a bit of salt and butter, mix together. And add your cold water a little at a time until you get that perfect dough. Do not overmix or stretch it. Put it in a bowl or wrap it in a nylon and keep in the fridge until you're ready to use it. The potatoes and lentils are ready, so let's continue with the filling. Heat up your pan and drizzle a bit of vegetable oil. Add your ground beef and mix it together. Add your garlic, spices and sliced onions. Keep mixing until all the onions melt down with the beef to give you that sweetness. Then add the veggies for the pop of color. Next, add the potatoes and lentils. Put a bit of water to loosen it. Mix together. It looks so good already. And the aroma is really nice, really nice. Sprinkle some flour to thicken it for a roll. But if you want your fillings to be loose, skip the flour. The pie filling is done. Allow it cool before you fill your pie. Bring out your pan, butter it and dust with flour. Roll in your dough to feed your pan with a little excess for folding the edges. You need 2 circles, one for the bottom and one to close the top. Layer the dough in the pan and add all your fillings like this. Now it's time to add your cream cheese to give your filling that wonderful creaminess. Place the top layer of dough and fold to make a lovely design of your choice. Prick with a fork, brush with egg wash and put it in your preheated oven to bake. And your pie in a pan is ready. Look at that. I just want to cut some and show you how good this is. You can have a meat pie or a pan pie. One thing is certain, this recipe is so good and tasty. From the crust to the filling, and that is the perfection I get from golden penny on my pie day. Recreate and enjoy this classic recipe. Keep watching for Fofolicious Food Bites for more recipes and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.